Hello and welcome to the Darby Creek Diaries. I'm Gail Thompson. I just wanted to hop on for a moment and give you some last minute inspiration in case you need to do a last minute card. And I want to wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, or whatever it is that you celebrate, and that you have a wonderful season of joy and being with your families. All of these projects that I'm showing, I will link below because most of them I didn't get to do a video on. It's been kind of a rough year here at the Creek, but hopefully 2020 will be a better year and I'll be able to be back with you more often. Now, at the risk of making a fool of myself, I'm going to share with you a little ditty that I wrote for the scrapbook.com Christmas and July YouTube video. I haven't sung in many years, so it might be a little pitchy, but enjoy, and I will see you soon. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I make. Yes. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your projects turn out right.